We have learned a lot about the nervous system. Let's now learn about the building blocks of the nervous system, neurons. Neurons are nerve cells. Nerve cells are also called neurons. There are billions of neurons within the nervous system, and some scientists believe that there are about 86 billion neurons in the brain. Neurons are so tiny that they can only be seen using a microscope. They release chemical messengers called neurotransmitters that enable the transfer of information. Millions of neurons within the body are connected to one another. This creates a complex network within the body. In animals, neurons are found in the brain, the spinal cord, and the entire nervous system. A neuron is divided into three parts: the soma or cell body, dendrites, and the axon. The soma or cell body has a granular cytoplasm that contains a nucleus and other organelles that function to transmit impulses to the axon. Dendrites are short filaments or finger-like projections that function to transmit impulses to the cell body. The axon is a long, slender fiber that is enclosed inside myelin sheaths. Between these myelin sheaths are gaps or nodes called nodes of Ranvier. At the end of the axon, there are axon terminals that connect the neuron to another nerve cell. The axon functions to transmit impulses between nerve cells. Neurons can be classified based on their structure and their function. Based on function, neurons are grouped into motor neurons, sensory neurons, and association or intermediate neurons. Motor or efferent neurons transmit motor information from the central nervous system to effectors. Sensory or afferent neurons carry sensory impulses from sensory receptors to the central nervous system. The other neurons, called the association neurons, are also called relay neurons. They connect motor nerves and sensory nerves, and they transmit impulses within the central nervous system. Neurons can also be classified based on their structure, that is, the number of neurites on the neuron. Neurites are projections on the neural cell body. Neurons with single neurites are called unipolar neurons. These neurons are commonly found in invertebrates like insects. Neurons with two neurites are called bipolar neurons, while neurons with more than two neurites are called multipolar neurons. I'll see you soon.